Hi everyone, this is Alex Pondian from Vishwavidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School in Elumalai. Today we are going to discuss about the topic series of arithmetic fraction. So chapter 2 sequential numbers and subcontent of series of arithmetic fraction. The first one, the first definition, series. What is series? So what is the meaning of series? Note first one, the sum of the terms of a sequence is called series. The sum of the terms of a sequence is called a series. Series meaning as, for example, a sequence. What is sequence? The sequence definition a1, a2, a3, up to etc. is going to an and etc. Okay, this sequence be a real numbers, but the sum of the terms of the sequence is called series. Okay, so then the real numbers, series meaning only positive numbers. So a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus up to etc. is defined as the series of real number. So the basic concept of note sequence meaning is a1 a2 a3 up to etc. is going to infinite terms, but series of the terms of a sequence is called a series. So sum of the series a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus up to an. Note. And next one, if a series has a finite number of terms, then it is called a finite series. Series of a finite number of terms, then it is called a finite series. For example, 1, 2, 3, up to 100. So 100 is the ending number, this one is a finite number. And then if a series has a infinite number of terms, then it is called a infinite terms series. a1, a2, a3, up to etc. is going to a1. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to etc. is going to infinite terms. So a series has an infinite number of terms, then it is called an infinite series. Okay. The sum up to nth terms of an arithmetic fraction formula, first term a, as usually first term a and last term l. So here formula, using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So since n is equal to L minus a by d plus 1, we have to write Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. So a first term and L last term. The sum of the nth terms of an arithmetic fraction formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And then we have to write this, and the finally formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. So a meaning as first term and L meaning as last term. Okay, and next one, example 2.31. Find the sum of first 15 terms of the arithmetic fraction 8, 7, 7 1 by 4, 6 1 by 2 and 5 3 by 4. So the first term, sum of the first terms, first 15 terms, sum meaning is series, the series of the arithmetic fraction formula. Okay, we know that namakku theriyum Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here first term a is equal to 8 and common difference formula d is equal to t2 minus d1. So t2 value, second term 7 1 by 4 and minus first term a, so 8. So 7 1 by 4 cross multiplication, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 1 29 by 4 minus 8. One second denominator is 4 and cross multiplication 8. So 4 8s are 32. So 29 minus 32, the final answer d is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here using the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic fraction formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 15 terms, so you have to substitute the values of n 15. So next the right hand value 15 by 2 and 2 into a value 8 plus n value 15 minus 1 into under common difference value minus 3 by 4. And next step 15 by 2, so 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 14. So 14 into minus 3 by 4, so the cancel it 21 by 2. So the final answer 15 terms of arithmetic fraction answer 160/4. Then next example 2.32. So find the sum of 0,40 plus 0,43 plus 0,46 plus up to plus 1. This sum is a only finite series. So given first term a value 0,40 and last term value L is equal to 1 and common difference d2 minus d1, second term 0.43 minus 0.40. So final answer 0.03. Here using the formula n is equal to L minus a by d plus 1. So L value 1 and a value 0.40 and common difference value 0.03 plus 1. So 1 minus 0.40 and cancel it 0.06 by 0.03. So final answer 20 plus 1 21. So n is equal to 21. Here sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic fraction formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. So last term it comes using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. Here n value 21. So you have to substitute the n value 21 by 2 and a value 0.40 plus L value 1. So you answer it, final answer 14.7. So 0.47 plus 1, so 1.40 and 21 by 2, so cancel it 10.5. So you have to add the value 14.7. So 21 terms of arithmetic fraction answer 14.7. Okay, next example 2.33. How many terms of the series 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus up to must be taken so that their sum is 190? Solution. So seventh term series. So seventh, how many terms of 7? So seventh, you have to find the value seventh terms. So seventh term answer sum is 190. So okay, here Sn is equal to 190. Here Sn is equal to the value 190. Actually first term value a is equal to 1 and the common difference d2 minus d1, common difference value 5. 5 minus 1, you have to subtract the value, final answer 4. Here using the formula sum of first n terms of an arithmetic fraction formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value no, I don't know. So n by 2 into a value 1 plus n minus 1 and d value 4 is equal to 190. So 2 is going to right hand side. So multiplication. So 190 into 2 is 380. So then n is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 n minus 2 is equal to 380. The n is going to multiplication of inside. So 2n square minus n minus 190 is equal to 0. This is one of the factorized method. So 2n square, so 2 into factors cone, you have to using the cone method. So final answer n minus 10 and 2n plus 19 is equal to 0. But n is equal to 10 and n is equal to 19 by 2 is impossible. So the final answer n is equal to 10. Exercise 2.6 first sum. Find the sum of the following. Sum of the following. Sum meaning series of the arithmetic fraction. You have to using the formula the sum up to n terms of an arithmetic fraction. So arithmetic fraction formula series formula Sn is equal to n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Solution given 3, 7, 11, and up to is on AP. Okay. So first one, first term a is equal to 3 and d is equal to common difference value 7 minus 3. So answer 4. So and n is equal to 40 terms. Using the formula, sum of the n terms of an arithmetic formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value, substitute the value 40 and 40 by 2, a value 3, so 2 into 3 and 40 minus 1 and common difference value 4. You have to substitute the final answer 3240. Okay, thank you viewers, thank you so much, and the next video is going for the next time. Okay, thank you so much.